You're in love with those gloves, aren't you?
Well, I've always been a TVS fanboy. I have an N-Talk. I wish I could buy more TVS products, but financial crisis doesn't allow. But I did manage to go ahead and buy these gloves. So these are TVS Racing Adventure gloves. And yeah, I bought them.
Oh, no wonder.
Well, frankly, they are very comfortable. I mean, just look at them. They just look comfortable. Wearing them is a whole different feel altogether. So now this, what you see here, okay, this is a high quality perforated leather, and it is synthetic leather. So no animals were harmed during the making of these gloves. At the same time, you have a 4D mesh, so this makes it very breathable. You see this heat right now? I can imagine I am still wearing it and not getting them off. When have you seen me wearing gloves for so long? When? At the same time, you have this welded kind of material here for your knuckle guards. And the best part is this is accordion material, so this makes it very flexible. Also, they are pre-curved, so by default this is the posture, not like straight stretched out. So basically that's how your hands are going to be even when you hold your bike. So they're already stretched and they're already curved, so that makes it much more easier to fit in. At the same time, it has a P protection for abrasion here and here. This is on the impact zones. I wish as a brake I could have done a hiya karate chop with it and still not gotten hurt. So there you have it. I mean, they also have a very high peel. I'm trying to figure out how did TVS manage to give this all this at this price. So today we have a offer going on. Head on to our page. These gloves are for 2419. Don't miss it, cause I don't know when it's going to come again. Hey, at least I got it. So शक्ल क्या देख रहे हो? साइड पे जाओ and see you in the next one. Oh, not over yet. अभी तक साइड पे गए नहीं. Well, here's something to push you even more. So this has conductive leather here. That means you can, sorry, phone का issue. Scroll up and down. Check this out. और क्या चाहिए यार? अच्छा और चाहिए. और है ना? You're riding in the rain, and like last year, it can rain any time in India. You have a material here so that you can wipe your visor off. बस क्या? I know, seems interesting. ले लो. And if you like this video, please like it. And if you further liked it more, please share and subscribe and let all the other people know about these awesome products. See you.